What's the meaning of Buddhist? Buddhist. Buddhist.
Buddhist. Buddhist. Buddhist is a term used to describe someone who follows the teachings of Buddhism, which is a religion and philosophy that originated in ancient India and emphasizes personal spiritual development and the pursuit of enlightenment. Buddhists believe in the Four Noble Truths, which state that suffering exists, suffering arises from attachment to desires, suffering can be overcome, and the way to overcome suffering is through the Eightfold Path. Buddhism is spread throughout Asia and the world, and its practice varies among different cultures and traditions. Overall, being a Buddhist involves following ethical principles, practicing mindfulness and meditation, and seeking to attain inner peace and wisdom.